Hey up, I'm Nott'm last, and today I'm at a place called Skjolden Brygge. Now this is my apartment balcony overlooking Fjord, which is the longest fjord in Norway. Skjolden is the gateway to two massive national parks. You've got Jotunheimen National Park and Bremen National Park. I hope I'm pronouncing those two right. Anyway, today we're going to take a little tour around Skjolden to show you the sights, viewpoints and much, much more. So keep watching, this is not one to miss. It's a beautiful place. So right now we're visiting Norway in September, which is kind of out of season. And I'm guessing when it is in season, the place is buzzing. It's kind of like a ghost town right now. But there's obviously a lot to do when it is in season. You've got your bike hire, you've got your boat and fishing tours, hiking tours, lots going on. So right behind me is the visitor centre. In here you'll find a swimming pool, a climbing wall and obviously a restaurant, very, very cute inside. There's also a lot of information you can find with walks to do, etc, etc. The list goes on. This is the co-op where you can get all your food and bits and bobs, however it is shut on Sundays. So what I really, really love about Skjolden is that you're surrounded by mountains. And it's going to sound really, really cheesy right now, but they recharge your energy. That's what I heard someone say the other day. It's actually true. Just down the road from me, you've got a little play area for kids and adults. You've got a volleyball court, tennis court, basketball court, and a big climbing frame to go on. There's lots to do for kids as well. So about the place that we're staying in, Skjolden Brygge, overlooking the longest fjord in Norway. I'll put some drone footage on this right now. Beautiful little place, you know. And quite cheap for out of season. I'll put the link in the description box below, have a look at it. So right now we're walking up to Sengjaberget lookout point across Skjolden. This is a 26-minute walk from the co-op, uphill, but it's beautiful.
So it seems to me that the season, the high season in Norway ends sort of around about September. We're here middle to the end of September and most places are kind of closed, which is good for us because it means we're not spending so much money. We haven't had any meals out yet. We've only had a couple of drinks in a bar once or twice. We're having to sort of do a bit of self-catering, which is fine, you know, it's very peaceful and it's fine. I think we may need to go to a buzzing city after this for some beers and wine and dancing, but this is not the place for that out of season. I guess in season, maybe during the ski season and high summer season, it comes to life a bit more. I mean, it's great for that sort of peaceful, get back to nature kind of vibe, but if it's a party you want, this is not the time or the place to be.
So I've just arrived at the top. Look at this viewpoint. Let's get the drone up.
So when I'm on a road trip, I normally don't stay in any place for longer than 2 or 3 nights, tops. But this place is so gorgeous and so fantastic, we booked another 2 nights. That'll be 5 nights here before we hit the road again. So the little village below me called Skjolden, where we're staying, only has a population of about 300 people. And that's why there's only one co-op. Apparently around here, down there somewhere, and it's on here, there's a llama sanctuary. They've got about 15 llamas. Now, I love llamas. I love their sort of gentle faces. They're sort of a mixture between a camel and I don't know what they are, but they're very, very weird animals. I do love them. So it's sort of camel and giraffe mixture. Anyway, there's some llamas down there. The last time I saw llamas was in Sheffield, well, Yorkshire actually, in Sheffield. We went to a sort of llama sanctuary and said hello to lots of llamas. But apparently down here you can take them for walks on leads. So on the way back down we might go and investigate that. But hey, guess what? I bet they're closed for the season.
So in conclusion, Skjolden is an absolutely beautiful place to visit. It's a lovely retreat, a breath of fresh air, relaxing, full of nature, a lot of good walks, including the walk we've just done to the viewpoint. What more do you want from a place? You can't get better than this. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and make sure to go and hit that subscribe button. Bye!